Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to buy and sell stocks on Webull. First of all, you have to open Webull application on your phone. First of all, you have to click on the search on the top right corner, and here you have to select or search the company from which you want to buy your stocks. For example, in today's video, I'm gonna buy some stocks from Amazon. I will click on Amazon, and then I will see the charts and all the information that I needed to trade with Amazon. So what I will do, I will click on the trade button, the blue button on the bottom left corner. Now here I will see two sections, buy and sell. On this page you can also see the limit order. It is a drop down menu. You can select any limit order. In today's video I will select that order type to market. Now today I will buy 4 shares of Amazon, and then I will select buy, and then it will show me some information that what I'm about to buy, and then I will click on confirm. And automatically I have bought 4 shares of Amazon in front of you guys. And after a few days you have realized that you're not satisfied from the stocks you have bought from Amazon. Then what you have to do is click on this sell button, and similarly from here you can sell the shares that you have just bought, and that's how you can buy and sell stocks on Webull app. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.